Hello everyone, welcome to Career Point. In this challenge, CDP series going on. Today's session I will discuss rest of the Vygotsky socio-cultural theory. So let's start our session. In this session, I will discuss some more important key terms that are include Vygotsky in his socio-cultural cognitive development theory. First key term is collaborative project and next is cooperative learning. Collaborative project and cooperative learning are a group activity. In this activity, students interact with each other and share their thought, information. This cooperative learning built their interpersonal skill. Interpersonal skill. And also build their self-esteem. And improve their understanding level. This collaborative project and cooperative learning create a positive attitude. Okay. Next key term is reciprocal teaching. Reciprocal teaching is a cooperative learning. This reciprocal teaching enhances students' comprehension skill with 4 components like questioning, predicting, summarizing and clarifying. In this reciprocal teaching, students learn and retain information through dialogue and social interaction. This reciprocal teaching also encourages students to do teamwork. So, third key term is peer tutoring. Peer tutoring is enhanced social interaction. This is also a group activity. Here involve 2 or more students. One act as a tutor for other classmates. In this peer tutoring activity, students can involve in discussion that improve their understanding level and interpersonal skill. Last key point is assistive learning. Vygotsky emphasized assistive learning. He believed students can learn better ways when they got collaboration and assisted. So everyone, I discussed 5 important key terms that are enhanced social interaction. So now discuss the importance of Vygotsky's theory. Educational implication. First point is Vygotsky gave more emphasis on society, culture and language. According to Vygotsky, social interaction involving students to cooperative and collaborative learning that improve their cognitivity. And this social interaction is a vital process. It helps learners to appreciate development. Next, Vygotsky gave more importance on language. He believed language is a man's greatest tools. Next, Vygotsky gave a new concept, that is scaffolding, where a teacher or more advanced peers help low advanced peer so that the novice work is successfully. Next, he gave more importance on cooperative and collaborative learning and create heterogeneous group where have mixed ability, different ability students. So Vygotsky's theory is more important. At the end of the session, I discussed critically evaluate this theory. It the Vygotsky's theory is relevant for all cultures. Next, in some case, observation and practice is more relevant to learn certain skill. So now complete the Vygotsky's theory. If you have any confusion, please ask in comment section. And if you like this session, subscribe this channel.